In my final video of the series, I want to bring artificial intelligence to life by demonstrating some of the standout applications that Microsoft have created. Now, this isn't future tech. What I will show you in this video are applications that you can use today as a consumer and without any developer knowledge. I'll begin with the immersive reader. Now, I have spoken about this in previous videos and how it's being used to help the 10% of the world's population who suffer with dyslexia improve their reading fluency. This free, simple to use application encourages independent reading and improves comprehension by adding accessibility features for learners of all ages and ability. You can change the appearance of your reading materials or hear the text read aloud. You can change themes, fonts, spacing and size, break down syllables, highlight nouns, verbs, adjectives and adverbs. You can add picture dictionaries, you can change focus points and translate into different languages. This tool is empowering learners of all ability to thrive. It's breaking down borders and giving a voice to all. You see, at Microsoft, we believe that the true purpose of education is to create possibility. And by combining it with technology, these possibilities become real. But what about businesses, or more specifically, small startups? Today, a web presence is necessary to look professional. It also enables you to gain visibility, stay competitive, and connect with your customers. The average cost of a small website could run into the thousands, and these are costs that can sometimes sting. But what if I could draw my web page as a simple sketch on a piece of paper, then upload it into the cloud and have a custom vision module create my page automatically? This isn't science fiction, it's reality. Tools such as the Microsoft Sketch to Code platform are empowering customers to build digital content with little IT knowledge. Products such as the Q&A Maker are empowering businesses to quickly create chatbots with nothing more than answering a few simple questions. This cloud-based natural language processing service provides a complete knowledge authoring experience. By simply importing documents such as FAQs, product manuals, spreadsheets, or web pages. By quickly converting the content into questions and answer sets and then analyzing follow-up prompts, we can create our chatbot in minutes, supporting rich text, images, and links. But what about that killer presentation you're planning? Nothing wins business like an engaging sales pitch. With tools such as the presentation coach in Microsoft PowerPoint, artificial intelligence can help analyze, judge, and enhance your content. Evaluating pace, pitch, and filler words, it will detect sensitive terms or whether you're just reading the content from a slide. At the end, it will present you with a summary of your rehearsal, showing you just how well you did and points that you could perhaps maybe consider. This is the realization of consumer-based AI. It's not just for large corporate entities, but an enrichment tool for us all. Now, I want to show you something. This is a Microsoft Hololens, an untethered mixed reality headset that blends the physical and digital worlds together. By using spatial mapping through powerful sensors, it maps the environment around you and projects holographic images into your peripheral vision. It does this with a depth of camera and 4 different light sources along with long throw laser mapping and short throw illumination. Together, these equip the device to quickly understand human interaction and gesture control. Let's take a look.
Look at this painting I brought. It's the Piazza Navona, a place where Roman artists have gathered for centuries. Ciao is how you say hi in Italian. Go ahead, give it a try.
Ciao.
Perfect. You'd fit right in. In fact, rather than just staring at this painting, let's go see Rome in real life. Feast your eyes. We're actually standing in Piazza Navona in Rome, a city that's been home to emperors and artists, popes and gladiators, and, as you can see, lots and lots of tourists.
Now, I realize that not everybody is lucky enough to own a HoloLens, but we do all have this type of technology available to us today. Seeing AI as an intelligent camera app that can provide you with information on who and what is around you. And that's particularly useful for somebody with a vision impairment. By simply holding up your phone, you'll hear an audio description of documents, people, scenes, products, color, light, and handwriting. Let's take a look.
Scene preview. Processing. A laptop computer sitting on top of a table. Product. Processing. Heinz vegetable soup 400g. Handwriting preview. Processing. I can read this. Person. One face near center, less than a meter. Processing. 38-year-old man wearing glasses looking happy.
Now, this technology isn't just restricted to the phone or tablet. It can also be used with the pivot head smart glasses. So let me wrap up this series with my favorite example of the power of AI. It encompasses everything that we strive to achieve at Microsoft. It's our core beliefs, our culture, and it drives us all to empower every person and every organization on the planet to achieve more. Thank you.
I'm Saqib Sheikh. I lost my sight when I was 7, and shortly after that I went to a school for the blind, and that's where I was introduced to talking computers, and that really opened up a whole new world of opportunities. I joined Microsoft 10 years ago as a software engineer. I love making things which improve people's lives, and one of the things I've always dreamt of since I was at university was this idea of something that could tell you at any moment what's going on around you.
I think it's a man jumping in the air doing a trick on a skateboard.
I teamed up with like-minded engineers to make an app which lets you know who and what is around you. It's based on top of the Microsoft Intelligence APIs, which makes it so much easier to make this kind of thing. The app runs on smartphones, but also on the pivot head smart glasses. When you're talking to a bigger group, sometimes you can talk and there's no response, and you think, is everyone listening really well, or are they half asleep? And you never know.
I see two faces, 40-year-old man with a beard looking surprised, 20-year-old woman looking happy.
The app can describe the general age and gender of the people around me and what their emotions are, which is incredible. One of the things that's most useful about the app is the ability to read out text.
Hello, good afternoon. Here's your menu.
Great, thank you. I can use the app on my phone to take a picture of the menu, and it's going to guide me on how to take that correct photo.
Move camera to the bottom right and away from the document.
And then it'll recognize the text. Read me the headings.
I see appetizers, salads, paninis, pizzas, pastas.
Years ago, this was science fiction. I never thought it would be something that you could actually do, but artificial intelligence is improving at an ever faster rate, and I'm really excited to see where we can take this. As engineers, we're always standing on the shoulders of giants, building on top of what went before. And in this case, we've taken years of research from Microsoft Research to pull this off.
I think it's a young girl throwing an orange frisbee in the park.
For me, it's about taking that far-off dream and building it one step at a time. I think this is just the beginning.